Welcome to Quantum Mutual Fund, India's first direct-to-investor mutual fund.
Very good question. The question is, we've shown all these graphs where on the way down the fund performs well and on the way up the fund doesn't perform that well. So therefore, effectively, why should you put money in your fund? If I go back to that graph about the plus 90% and minus 75%, now unless you're smart enough to really know that that plus 90% fund was about to collapse and you exited that fund in December 2007, which most people don't know, and you should be investing in shares for the next 10, 15 years anyway, in your age. So in that case, if you go to that fund, you'd have lost more money. That fund out there with the plus 90 has got 4,750 left in it. In this bull market, sure it's going to go up, but it needs to appreciate by 68% just to catch up with the quantum fund. So it's unlikely that the quantum fund is going to stand still while the rest of the market goes up. If you don't have a 10, 15 or 20-year view on stock markets, please don't invest in stock markets. If you're trying to trade, this is the wrong forum for trading. So if you're trying to time the entry and exit, we don't have any sort of magical formula on how to do that. What we have found over our decades of experience is how do you make money at a 15, 18, 20% per annum in a very long-term time horizon. And that's what we try to do.
Because sir, after all, whatever capital has accumulated with the rise in index, unless you don't encash it, it doesn't have a meaning for you.
It's only, you're right. I mean, a rise in the index or a fall in the index is totally theoretical, unless, like you said, you encash it. So but you have to really look at the hisab kitab at the time when you want to encash it. Until then, you kind of leave it there and leave it with the person who will preserve your capital on the way down and earn you more, earn you decent returns. May not be star returns on the way up, but over cycles, the gap between a quantum process and a high trading process will widen over time.
Mutual fund investing is subject to market risk. Please read the scheme information document carefully before investing.